Now, are you still continuing to wear your mask while you're out and about? Although there's currently no obligation to wear one in England, the coronavirus crisis is far from over, and many of us are continuing to wear face coverings in shops, on transport and in crowded places. And a new factory in Ross-on-Wye will be making 1 million medical-grade face masks every day. Ultrafilter supply the NHS, healthcare workers and the food and drink industry, and together with their sister factory in Germany, have made 400 million masks since the start of the pandemic. Now, following a £3.6 million upgrade at the site of Alton Business Park, they're recruiting more people so they can produce masks 24 hours a day. Our reporter Nicola Goodwin has been for a tour.
3 different grades of material. You've got your centre part of the filter, which is this white material, and the blue is the outer protective, splash-resistant material.
And why blue?
It doesn't have to be blue, is really the answer. There are other colours. Some do it in black, some do it in white. But as we are predominantly providing to the healthcare sector, that is why we've continued to use the colour scheme that is appropriate. My name is Dean Kronsbein. I am the chairman of the Ultrafilter Group. Ours are manufactured in Ross-on-Wye, Herefordshire, Great Britain. Well, first and foremost, I'm proud to be British. And I live in Ross-on-Wye. This is my home. And I'm a strong believer in bringing industry back home. As a family, we invested £3.6 million. Today, we are manufacturing 1 million masks each day on a 220-day working year. So that is in total 220 million masks we are producing here in Ross-on-Wye.
My name's Roger Powell and I'm the plant manager.
And you're sounding slightly muffled like me because you're wearing what you make.
Absolutely, yeah, every day, all day.
And what were you doing before you came here?
I was a health and safety officer in another local company, but I was made redundant back in September last year after 25 years in the same company. It was an absolute nightmare. It was done not very nicely. He'd sent me a letter through the post. That's history now. And I started here February the 3rd this year. There's a silver lining. And I'm actually enjoying it. I didn't think I would because I'm nearly 64 years of age and there's not many opportunities for people my age nowadays. But to be offered the opportunity was fantastic.
And you've gone from being made redundant in the pandemic to making masks for the pandemic.
For the pandemic, absolutely, yeah. I've been involved with West Midlands Ambulance Service for 17 years as a community first responder. And I've always been around masks and worn masks. And now I'm actually making and manufacturing the things myself. It's good. It's good to be involved in it.
Wow, that industrious sound there. That's our reporter Nicola Goodwin with the chairman of Ultrafilter, Dean Kronsbein, and plant manager Roger Powell. The factory is being officially opened today by the Lord Lieutenant of Herefordshire, Edward Harley. They're making 1 million masks a day. That is incredible. 23 minutes past 7 now. It's BBC Hereford, and we'll see you want to get in touch. Please do 0800 121 8181 or text 81333. Start your message with HW.